I'm running a SaaS automation company and we provide different automation softwares for different requirements of businesses. And to collect the product demo request for these softwares, I have attached a form on my website. Every time on my website, when the product demo request will be received through this form submission, I want my team to be notified instantly with all the details of the product demo, the client details, as well as their proper use case or their requirements. Not only this, but I also want to send an acknowledgement email for the booking confirmation to the client who has submitted the response. Okay, so basically this is a long process, but I have automated this with this simple automation workflow. So I have simply connected my website form, that is Typeform, my Google Chat space and Gmail with each other in order to automate this entire long process. Now to automate the process, I have not used any coding or any programming skills, just build the connection between these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to first of all show you that how this exact automation is going to work. When a form will be submitted by any of the client, let's say the name of the client is Jane Smith. Let's say the number is this. Email is jane@pabblytunes.com. The company size is, this is, let's say, a digital marketing agency. And here is the sales challenge. I've added my preferred date, 8th of August, and the form is submitted. So as soon as the form is submitted, I will take you towards my Google Chat space. And here we got the notification automatically with all the details. Not only this, but this is the mail sent to Jane. Okay, so the automation is going to work like this. And now without any further wait, let's start learning this automation for our business step by step. So we are on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we can reach simply by typing the URL on our browsers. After coming, you can directly sign in. But if you are new to the platform, you can quickly create a free new account as well by clicking on sign up for free. There is a free sign up and also you can create a free new account just in 2 minutes. After doing that, you will be receiving in surprise 100 free tasks every month in order to explore this amazing software, to test multiple automations for your businesses, connect different applications with each other, and a lot more. After exploring and realizing that this is worth purchasing, you can purchase any of the suitable plan according to your business requirements using my coupon code given in the description of the video as well as on the left side of the screen. Okay, quickly I'm going to sign in. Not only Pabbly Connect, but we have other amazing automation softwares for all kind of business requirements. If you want to automate entire WhatsApp, we have Pabbly Chat Flow. If you want to automate your subscription plans, we have Pabbly Subscription Billing and a lot more. Now we have Pabbly Connect over here, so let's quickly access it. And now I'm going to show you to build the automation. So quickly, after coming on the dashboard, we'll click on this Create Workflow option. We have 3 options to create the workflow: create from scratch, create using AI, or create using Quick Builder. If you're going to opt for the scratch method, you can step by step build your own workflow at your own by selecting all the applications that you want and the events. If you're using AI, so you can create entire workflow, even the connections using AI. Among these, I'm going to show you the quickest and the easiest method: create using Quick Builder. With the help of this option, with a single line prompt, we can create the entire workflow. Just after that, you will be building the connections. So because I want to connect my website form, and as a website form, I'm using Typeform over here. So I will enter connect Typeform with my community space of my team, that is Google Chat. And further, I also want to send emails to all the clients, all the leads who are requesting the demos. So I want Gmail as well. Now, as I've entered this request of mine, you can see that the workflow has started creating, which Typeform trigger should start this workflow. So I want every time a new entry will be made in the Typeform, the response should be captured. And which Google Chat Hangout action would you like for sending the message? I want to send a simple message. I've selected that. Which Gmail action would you like for send email? So I will be sending the email simply. Okay, so this is the workflow. It's ready. Let's approve and create. Open it in a new tab, and here the workflow is in front of us. Everything is done. We just have to build the connection now. So I am using Typeform on my website to book the demo calls for the clients, for the leads. But if you're using any other form as well, you can connect that. Okay, so quickly I'm going to build the connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect for new entry. So now let's click on connect button. And here I'm going to go towards add new connection because I'm already logged into my Typeform account. So the account is already selected. I'm going to authorize some permissions and you can see that the connection is built. Now here we have two forms. I have created two forms in my account. You have to select whichever form you want to connect over here in the workflow. I want every time this book your demo form will be submitted, then the response should be captured. So I've selected that. Now let's click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, a test response is captured, but it is still showing waiting for webhook response. And I'm going to submit it in front of you to capture a response over here. So that by using that response, we will be continuing with our workflow. So let's say the first name of the lead or the client who wants to book a demo for the automation software is Smart, and the last name is client. Let's say Smart client. Let's say the phone number is of India. Okay. Email smartclient@pabblytudes.com. Company is, let's say, Growth at Solutions. Next, it is asking company size. Industry is, let's say, IT services. It is asking biggest sales. So I'm entering our support team spends too much time answering repetitive questions like that. Okay. Then we have preferred date for the demo. So let's say I'm submitting 3rd of August 2026. Okay, submitted the form. And as the form is submitted, let me take you back towards Pabbly Connect. Within few seconds, you will see that the response with all the same details in the form will get captured. Yes, we got the response over here. We have the name, email address, phone number, company name, size, industry, and everything else. Now by using this response, we will be sending the notification to the team. Okay, so here go towards Google Chat. Okay, I'm using Google Chat because I have my work community over there, but if you have any other application on which you are having your work community such as Slack, Discord, or Microsoft Teams, you can select that as well. Okay, now for creating the message, we have to provide the chat webhook URL. I'm going to show you how to get that. So go towards your space, and on the space, go towards the name of the space where you will find apps and integrations. And here you have to simply click on this add webhook button, give a name to your webhook, which will be appeared every time when the message will be delivered. Product demo request. Okay, this will be the name or the heading of my webhook. The webhook is added. Let's simply copy it, go back and paste the webhook over here like this. Now for sending the message, just provide the content of the message that you want to use. So here is my message format. New product demo request. A new demo request has been submitted through the website. Here are the details: name, company, email, phone number, industry, sales challenge, preferred demo date. And the action required by the team is please contact the prospect to confirm the demo schedule and assign a sales representative so that we can convert that person into paid client. Okay, so now one by one I will be providing the details such as the name of the client, their company, etc. But if I'll enter them manually, I will not be able to change them again and again. Therefore, in order to automate the process so that every time the new form entry is made, all the details given over here will get replaced, I am going to use a new method that is called as mapping. When I'm going to enter slash like this, so we can see that the previous response appeared, and in the previous response, as you know, we have received the name, both the first name as well as the last name of the client. Okay, so in this way I've inserted the name from my previous response. Similarly, I'm going to insert the company name and all other details. So as we have mapped all these details, they have become dynamic, and this means that every time a new form will be submitted for any new product demo request, these details will get replaced according to that new form response. And in this way, we will be able to automate the entire process, because if in case we will enter the data manually, it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Therefore, mapping is very important. Now the preferred demo date also let me map. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, you can see that the response is received. I will take you towards my Google Chat space, and here we have received the notification. Okay, we have the name and the details of the client, their preferred date, and their sales challenge and the preferred date. This means that the connection is built. Now I also want to send an email notification. So I'm going to simply send an email over here. The sender name will be my organization name over here. Spare World Solutions. Then the recipient email address will be the client email address that I've received from the earlier response. Then here we have the subject. Your product demo request has been confirmed. And here I'm going to provide the content. Now, as we have mapped the details, as we have entered the content, here you can decide whether you want to send the content of the email in plain or HTML. I have decided as plain, where you want to deliver the emails in the inbox of the client, in the important, trash, spam, or where. I want to send the mail in the inbox. If you want to attach any product catalog or any other media, you can provide the file name and the attachment URL over here. Also, you can attach the signature. Okay, now I'm going to quickly click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, the message is sent. So I will quickly take you towards Gmail, and you can see that my email is sent to smart client. Okay, this means that the automation is built. So how we have done that? We have built the connection between our form, our Google chat space, and Gmail in such a way that every time through my website a form is submitted requesting the product demo, automatically my team is going to be notified with all the details of that product demo, and also the client or the lead who has submitted the request will receive an acknowledgement email for the same. So we have automated 3 of our tasks with a single workflow, and you can see how easily we have set up this workflow without any coding, any programming skills, and you can also do it within 10 minutes by all yourself. If you want to learn more such amazing automations and creative new use cases regarding different businesses and industries, follow our channel, subscribe it, and if you like the video, do not forget to share with your friends. Also, if you want Pabbly Connect or any other Pabbly product, use my coupon code at the time of checkout. The checkout link will be available in the description. Thank you for watching the video.